It's very good to stretch the body after so many works. And now I decided to use my leave with pay for 5 days because maybe tomorrow I will going to my doctor, Dr. Olova, a Russian doctor here in Beersheba. And because I feel pain in my heel, right heel. It's almost 2 months, especially now it's very cold. And Eva told me maybe my uric acid will going up, or maybe it's because of my accident last time. I slide down to the stairs in this our apartment. I feel pain this because now it's very cold. Maybe my therapy, I do the therapy massage with oil before sleeping. Maybe tomorrow. But anyway, I will talk to you about the national bird of Israel. What is the national bird of Israel? Only now I know in the blog of Israel, stand with us. The blogger with the written stand with us, Israel. And he showed the national bird of Israel. And I'm very amazed because that bird I saw in the park, in the Tel Aviv, in the Beersheba, anywhere. And that's my favorite bird here in Israel. Do you know the name of that bird? That is Hoopoe. Hoopoe. The bird with a stripe in the back, like Jewish linen, cover their head while praying in the man, Jewish man. And with long mouth tip, with the fan in the head, with wings. Maybe the head is very heavy and the tip of the mouth is very heavy. Anyway, before I show it to you, I would like to shout out to Miss Justin Tenorio and the at the blog of Bisduck in Switzerland. How are you there? And thank you very much for subscribing and watching this blog. And shout out to DMW, to my family in the Philippines, to all hotel workers in Israel, caregivers, and also to all Filipino or to all people of Israel, and this continuous praying for the peace of Israel. And anyway, please watch this. Let's go. Yan, tulad niyang ibon na yan. Sa lugar namin, hindi ko yan nalalapitan. Dito, siya ang lumalapit. Kasi gutom. Anong klaseng ibon yan?
Zebra.
Marami ditong zebra.
Ayan, oh, ang galing.
May pamaypay ang ulo.
May pamaypay yung ano niya. Oh.
At ang kanyang pakpak ay parang Hebrew.
Oo.
Hebrew wings. Diba?
Na ano siya, nabuka.
Oh, sa Beersheba, mailap ang hayop na ganyan. Nahirapan na mag-picture.
Ay, nagpagkitang gilas.
Ganda, nakunan ko thrill. Nabuka pala yan, may pakpak din ang ulo niya. Bakit kaya? Alam mo kung bakit may pakpak ang ulo? Thrill. para hindi siya bumulusok kasi mabigat ang kanyang tuka. Ang haba ng chopstick niya.
Chopstick.
Shalom!
Diba? Cute.
Manishima! Now I know the purpose of the tip of the mouth of that Hopi bird because he want to get the baby bee under the ground and he will eat that. You know that?
Niya talaga.
This is a baby bee, big baby bee under the ground, and he will try to dig the soil and get the food. Now I discovered that is in Tel Aviv when we go to Philippine Embassy. Now I only know I discovered in this video, long time ago this video.
Shalom,
Look.
shalom.
How that bird know that there was a cocoon there or the baby bee under the ground? The bird is very genius.
Oh, balik tayo din mag-video. Bibidyohin ko
See?
yung harap eh. Daan muna
Just
tayo
wait
dati
and
umalis.
watch. Oh, see? Baby bee. Wow. Amazing. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a happy that you know the national bird of Israel, that is Hopi bird, very cute, you know. If I saw that bird in any place, I try to walk slowly to catch closely the video, but I can't. That bird have a big sense of feelings, and then that bird is very kind, but don't like to touch by human. Thank you for watching, and please continue watching my vlog every day or anywhere, anytime. And hoping you enjoy to my vlog. And thank you to all my subscribers, likers, and commenters. And to those who did not subscribe, please click like subscribe and click the notification bell so you continue watching my stories here in Israel this year, 2025. Happy New Year! Shalom. Lehitraot.